Good. So what we're going to be showing you next is in the My Device section on how to really leverage this watch the best as possible. So here we have the notification section. First, you'll see the message notifications. Let's click on that. So here you can see all the different ways you can get notifications on your smartwatch. So if you want phone calls, you can enable that, text messages. If you want social media on here, any notifications, there's so many different options. You can literally just enable them all or disable them all or individually pick and choose what you want. That's how awesome this is. Now what we'll do is go back, alarm setting. So if you need to set up an alarm straight from your smartwatch, you just do it right here. Very easily, you can choose whatever time you like. You can repeat it on any single day, make it that much more easier. So you don't have to use your phone anymore. You can just use your smartwatch. Health reminders. So for women, if they want to check their cycle, they can check off the first one. Water reminder. This is very important because we don't pay attention to how often we drink water, and majority of us live our life very dehydrated. So this water reminder is perfect and is exactly what you need to make sure you're hydrated at all times. Then we could update the high heart rate alert. So if we just switch that off, you can click into it as well too to see how many BPMs that makes sense. Definitely talk to your doctor about this to make sure it's aligned to what is best for you and your body. Rise to wake, you can check that off. You can also pair your device to make sure that it's smooth with your phone and anything else. Bluetooth connected, so you can even take phone calls straight from your device if you connect it to the Bluetooth. Highly recommend that. Different settings they got over here, the dial settings. So next let's check out the dial settings. So if we click on the dial settings and click on face gallery, they have 100 different options to choose from. Look at this. You could pick whichever screen face you like. So you have so many options. They'll start loading as you scroll down. And then you could keep going. So there's so many different options to customize this to make it to how you want it. Okay, so as we're checking out these different options, let's see which one we like to really replace this. So let me take a look here. I kind of like this earth one. So let's take a look. Let's click on it and let's set this. So keep in mind, it's going to download. It can take up to 2 minutes to transfer. So you see how it's already initiating it. So just be patient with it. It's pretty quick. It might be actually faster than 2 minutes. Boom. Look at that. The earth one and it's right here. Perfect. I like this. But you can choose any one that resonates with you. That's how easy it is. So let's go back. We already defined your watch section. If you ever lose your watch, this is a perfect place to put it. So you can always track your watch if it's in your locker or at the gym, anywhere. This is perfect. So blood sugar, blood pressure, private mode, you can adjust that. Even the glucose level, you can adjust any of these to what is best for you. Definitely check with your doctor on these to make sure the specifics are aligned to you. Even the blood pressure aspects too. So you can do your contacts, you can sync your contacts on here. So screen time, how often do you want this screen to be on? You can adjust it 5 seconds right now, but you can change it to essentially whatever you like here. So you're not wasting too much battery. Weather settings. So here you can choose, do you want it to be Celsius, Fahrenheit? We like it Fahrenheit here in the US. So we're gonna just check on that, confirm, boom. And you can adjust any of these signals right here. GPS signal, the push signal, if you want to get notifications on here, different updates, you can do that right then and there. Switch settings, you can adjust any of these settings, your oxygen monitoring, your HR automatic monitoring, the BP. So all these things can just be adjusted accordingly. So just turn them on. I would say for all health, to optimize it, just turn them all on. Going back. shake to take a photo. So you can update, you can put your camera on here. We have that disabled at the moment. Upgrade, you can see you're already fully upgraded, as you can see, to the latest version, but you can do that here, as well as factory reset. If you want to completely reset everything, there's some options down here. So there's so many different things to adjust. So be sure to go through this in the My Device section for your notifications and even adjustments to any of these metrics that are going to be helpful for you to optimize your health. So on the bottom, you'll notice here we have a disconnect area, this button right here. So if any moment something is not syncing up properly, something is not connecting properly with your smartwatch, your phone, you can easily disconnect and then just reconnect if you need to. So always keep that in mind. If something seems off, because technology, there's always some bugs that can happen. If you ever do notice that, we haven't seen that, but you just press this disconnect button and you'll be set.